The iPhone 15 is capable of reading caller names aloud for incoming calls. Such a feature allows you to customize how incoming calls are announced, enhancing accessibility and convenience in various situations. Here's how to turn this feature on or off. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. A list of apps will load up on the next screen. Scroll to find and then tap to select the phone app. Next, tap on Announce Calls. Choose any from the given options such as Always, Headphones in Car, Headphones Only, or Never. If you choose Always, your iPhone will always announce the caller's name. If you choose Headphones in Car, it announces only when using headphones or connected to car audio. If you choose Headphones Only, it announces only when using headphones. And if you choose Never, it turns off the feature completely. You can test this feature by making a call to your iPhone. When enabled, it will announce the caller's name aloud for incoming calls. This feature on your iPhone 15 provides flexibility in how you're notified of incoming calls, which can be particularly useful when you're unable to look at your phone screen or when you're using hands-free devices. It enhances both accessibility and convenience, allowing you to know who's calling without having to check your phone directly. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.